Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, we are looking at Prop Masters FX EA or Prop Masters EA. It's an expert advisor listed on the MQL5 Marketplace developed by Michael Prescott Bonney. Right on the product page, we can confirm that this EA is built strictly for MetaTrader 5. It is priced at 240 US dollars for a lifetime purchase, but there are also flexible rental options available starting at 30 US dollars for 1 month, to 60 US dollars for 3 months, to 90 US dollars for 6 months, up to 120 US dollars for a full year. Looking directly at the marketplace description, the developer explicitly states that PropMasters FX is optimized specifically for the GBPUSD pair on the H1 time frame. The system evaluates market conditions at the open of each new H1 candle to maintain consistent behavior and avoid unnecessary trade frequency. The description highlights a focus on capital protection, structured entries, and controlled exposure rather than high risk aggressive recovery systems like grid or martingale. Now, moving into the internal settings showed in the input list, we can see the configurable options available. All right. So it uses a fixed base lot entry set to 0.01 in this setup, along with a base magic number to identify its trades. We also see explicit entry and daily protections, including inputs for max spread, max daily loss, and maximum daily drawdown. There is an integrated news filter that allows you to specify news priority and block trades before or after medium and high impact news events. Additionally, it features customizable visual parameters for an on-chart dashboard and equity sparkline. Now let us transition over to the strategy tester and analyze a completed historical test run on GBPUSD, which is the recommended currency pair, on the H1 time frame as recommended. We are using the FBS tick data from January 1st to July 24th, 2026. I always recommend running your own longer term tests to see how an EA behaves across different market cycles. But this historical period gives us a solid observational look at its execution. So looking at the historical chart and also observing the trade log, we can be able to see how the strategy manages positions. The EA executes both buy and sell trades, each hard coded with structural stop loss and take profit levels right at order placement. The average holding time is around 9.5 hours, with trade durations ranging from under an hour to several days depending on market movement. Now, while trades are primarily opened one at a time, there are occasional instances where multiple orders are placed within close proximity during structural setups. Now, out of 83 historical trades, out of 83 total trades taken, the system maintained a win rate of roughly 63.86%. 53 trades were profitable out of 83. All right, turning to the performance results on a $10,000 initial deposit with 1:1000 leverage, the historical net profit reached $64.48 across the 7 month period, or approximately 7 month period. What stands out most from a risk perspective is the drawdown profile. The maximal balance drawdown was kept at just $13.45 or 0.13%, while the maximal equity reached $20.28 or 0.2%. Now, this controlled exposure is reflected in a profit factor of 2.38, a recovery factor of 3.18, and a Sharpe ratio of 5.44. The equity curve shows a steady, gradual upward trajectory with very minor dips throughout the testing period. All right, we can see how there were actually minor dips, but there were times where the balance reduced, but the equity and the balance are almost always very close to each other, as we can see. Nevertheless, the growth was gradually rising over time. Okay, the growth was quite steady. It was a gradual rise, a very gentle slope, as you can see, a very gentle slope over time, which resulted in a net profit of just $64.48. All right, but remember that the lot size used here is 0.01. So I just used the general settings, the default settings, as I ran the back test. Now, it is important to remember that these are historical backtest results and should never be taken as a guarantee of future performance. Actual market results can vary significantly depending on your broker spreads, execution speed, slippage, lot sizing, and risk parameters. All right. So, in summary, Prop Masters FX presents a highly structured, low drawdown approach tailored specifically for GBPUSD on the H1 time frame. Based on the available data, its strict stop loss usage, built-in news filters, and low historical drawdown make it worth looking into for traders who prioritize risk control and capital preservation over aggressive growth. But as always, be sure to conduct your own optimization and thorough testing on a demo account before evaluating any expert advisor for live trading environments. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.